right, so to open it, all you got to do is slide it out. All right, and this is gonna go over it, so you don't have to worry about it. So slide it. I think that's it. I like the cable. It's a little small cable, but it's optional. I said they give you an another one, Type C to Type A. All right, and of course, extra in case you lose or you're gonna replace the NVMe. You could. It's with this case. So let's go and plug it in. All right. The only reason I got it for was because I like to take my phone with me a lot and transfer some of the stuff over to it. So this is also compatible with Droid. All right. iPhone, you might not because of the format that you have to do, but on the Droid, you can transfer stuff and you can see a lot of information in here. So right now we have about 555 gigs left, and then runtime, it says 11, and then the battery is getting out of the actual system itself 100%. Some of the details are a little unlegible, so I can't see. I'm blind as a bat. And then the heat source, which is 26 Celsius, and then USB 5.31 volts. That's what it says. So 27 heat. It's starting to heat up a little bit, but not too much. I mean, you can see the circuits on here. I like this stuff. And all right, on my phone, because I have a Droid, all right, I'm going to go into the folder, my files, all right? And because this thing has internal and external, and you can see internal, I have 512 gigs. USB, I have a 1 terabyte, it tells you right here, and it's legible. You can see it in here. So I'm going to go into the USB, and you can see all the folders that I currently have in there. So we're going to do a transfer of a drive to the system, right? So we're going to plug in a USB here. We're going to transfer some files over to our system. All right, we're going to transfer a 5 gigs, 510, and its transferring rate right now, it's about 16 megabytes per second. 600, so it jumps up, it fluctuates, but it's going to take about 5 minutes to transfer from the system, so it's not bad. And I'm doing it from a Type C to Type A, all right? But if Type C to Type C, it would be a lot faster. Right now, the system only can handle certain things, so not bad. Transferring rates picking up. It fluctuates. We saw the 600, now it's at 38, 39. So it's going to be faster than 3 minutes, actually, so not bad.